Hey guys, got a package in the mail. There's Michelle's hand. Oh, you know everything, don't you? You're smart. She pulled her hand away. So, got a package here in the mail. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Announce who I am and what I'm doing here as we go. Opening this up. We have, what do we have here? 2 boxes. WowTac. We've got 2 packages from WowTac. You guys may be familiar with WowTac. I've dealt with them in the past. It is a very high-end flashlight company, which is somewhat related, or in some way related to ThruNite. So, well, there it is, they say right there, technically supported by ThruNite. So, very, very high quality lights. So I've got to double check. We have here a WowTac A2S LED headlight that says biking, riding, fishing. And here we have the WowTac A5 3650. And then it's sort of not clear what that says, so I'll be right back. I've got to double check because there's 2 lights here. Okay, so the A2S is for a giveaway, which we'll do on a separate video on DIY Tube Video Community. So watch for that, and if you haven't joined DIY Tube, go on and check it out. www.diytube.video. So this could be yours. And WowTac was very kind. That was all in them, and they sent me this to give away to one of you. And this is for me to check out, use, and review over the coming days. Also, I should mention that people who purchase the A5 and leave an honest review will receive an A1 for free. So still try to do your best leaving an honest review. If you purchase the A5, do an honest review on it, you'll get an A1 as a gift for your time. So let's see what we got here. As you see the desk bouncing, that's Michelle. She likes to get involved. It's nice and solid feeling. So we got the light itself, WowTac A5. It's a good, feels good and solid in your hand. Nice grip. Let's see what we got here. And we've got a owner's manual instruction book. We've got a USB charging cable. Definitely then USB rechargeable. Here's the charger port. And we've got, which is typical with the WowTac, we've got the accessory pack. There's a lanyard. There's spare O-rings, gaskets. Let me see, pop this open here. Make sure I got everything, what we can see here. So there's 2 spare gaskets. So let me see where this opens. There. Wow. Oh, wow. A 26650. That is a big battery. 5,000 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt. That is a big battery. So that's, and it's a strong spring in there too. Really strong spring. That isn't going to wear out on you anytime soon. Definitely guaranteed a good contact. So there's an O-ring there. So they give you 2 replacement O-rings. Yeah, that takes some strength. That has a very, very good connection. One problem with cheaper flashlights is often that spring will wear out in you and you won't have good connection anymore after a while. And then you got to sort of shake your flashlight. Remember the old ones? You always had to shake them. That won't happen with this. So you got 2 spare gaskets. and a spare USB charging port cover. Very good. So it remains water resistant. And a lanyard. So I'm guessing there's a little lanyard lip on there, right there. Alright, let me check the specs here. We'll be right back in a minute. So let's give this a try here. Turn it on. And I'm guessing this has a memory mode, so as typical with them, it always turns on in the last setting you left it in. So the on-off is a simple on-off click. Also, something important to note is the blue charge status indicator. When it's on, it shows you the status of charge, and it goes through a range from blue till red meaning empty and blue meaning full. So if you long click it, whoa, that's bright. Oh wow. There's low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Those are the three normal ranges, and then turn it off. Now if you hold the button from the off position, you should get into your Firefly mode, which is barely noticeable, but there's your Firefly mode, and then turn it off. And then if you turn it on again, it'll come in the last mode you had used. Now if you have it on and double click, you've got turbo, and then double click and you got strobe. Alright, so I can't wait to get this out in the field. This is powerful. It's blinding me inside our store with all the overhead fluorescent lights in daytime. That is really powerful. So we have some specs here. Just wanted to share with you real quick. This thing has a low, medium, high, turbo, Firefly, and strobe modes. On low we've got 30 lumens. And that lasts for 46 hours runtime. The Firefly is 0.3 lumens, which lasts for 37 days. I mean, that's amazing. And I do love the Firefly mode on them because you can get around in the forest at night without alerting others to your presence, and you can read by it. It's map reading and pretty much get around your camp, or just leave the thing on as a nightlight in your tent so people don't bump around on each other if you're camping. I love the Firefly mode. I do use it a lot. Then there's a medium mode with 300 lumens, lasts for 10 hours. And there's a high mode with 1,750 lumens, and that lasts for 140 minutes, I think it says. It says 140 minutes. Then turbo mode, 3,650 lumens. And I think it says it lasts for 130 minutes. I'm not quite sure on what they're saying there. And it has a range of 234 meters, this thing. That is a long way. That's like 230 yards, give or take. That's a long range. This is going to be fun to try out on the long range testing. With that big powerful battery, I can see how. It is impact resistance to 1.5 meters and waterproof to IPX8 standards. So there you go, guys. I will be charging this up and putting this into real world testing, so you guys can check it out. If you want, I'll put the link down below. You can go ahead and buy one yourself and get a head start in reviewing it, so you can get yourself a gift. Again, the giveaway will be on DIY2 video community, so watch for that. And well, we'll get this going and get trying it out. Get it charged up today and get right into it. So guys, looks like a really amazing and high powered flashlight from WowTac, which I know is a great company just from experience. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out DIY2 and hit the bell icon. Watch for updates and further uploads. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. WowTac A5. Talk to you later.